As a forex trader, you must understand that there are some pairs you shouldn't trade together, and they are called correlated pairs. Why shouldn't you trade these pairs together? It is simply because these pairs often tend to move in the same direction. So trading these pairs together simply means you are doubling your risks. The only time you can trade these pairs together is when you are hedging professionally, and I'm going to cover that in another video entirely. Alright, so in the section 1 of this video, I'm going to be talking about currency pairs you shouldn't trade together. And number 1 is Euro USD and GBP USD. Why shouldn't you trade Euro USD and GBP USD together? It's simply because both are major pairs heavily influenced by the US dollar. So if the US dollar should strengthen, both pairs can drop at the same time, significantly doubling your risks. Imagine you took a buy on Euro USD and you also took a buy on GBP USD, and all of a sudden the US dollar just strengthen. Both Euro and GBP can fall at the same time, exactly, leading to what? Double losses. So you are going to take losses on Euro USD and you're also going to take losses on what? GBP USD. So don't trade Euro USD and GBP USD together. Alright, so the second pair you shouldn't trade together is simply Euro JPY and GBP JPY. Why? These pairs have the Japanese yen as their quote currency, meaning they often move in the same direction whenever the Japanese yen strengthens or weakens. Trading these pairs together can lead to what? Double exposure, especially during high trading volatility. So don't trade these two pairs together. Alright, so another currency pair you shouldn't trade together is simply Euro USD and USD JPY. Well, this one is more tricky because they often move in opposite direction, but not always. If the US dollar weakens, Euro USD might rise while USD JPY might fall, leading towards cancelling out of potential gains. Alright, so in the section 2 of this video, I'm going to be talking about pairs that are generally safe to trade together. You can trade these pairs together simply because they are less correlated or they are often influenced by different economic factors. Alright, so the first pair you can trade together on my list is simply Euro USD and AUD JPY. AUD JPY is Australian dollar and Japanese yen. So these pairs are often influenced by different economic drivers. Exactly. So trading these pairs together minimize your risks because they are not correlated. They don't move in the same direction. Alright, so the second currency you can trade together I have on my list is GBP USD and USD CAD. That is the United States dollar and the Canadian dollar. You can simply trade this currency together because they are less correlated and often respond to different economic factors, exactly, like the UK data and oil prices respectively. So Canada is a major oil producing and exporting country. So whenever the prices of oil goes up, the Canadian dollar tends to get stronger. And whenever the prices of oil falls, the Canadian dollar tends to be weak. So trading GBP USD and USD CAD can actually be good when a good analysis has been done. But you still have to be careful because both of them still involve the United States dollar. Yeah, and they tend to move strongly in opposite direction. But they can move in the same direction sometimes. But it's very, very rare. You must monitor the dollar individually. Alright, so the last pair on my list you can trade together is simply AUD JPY and USD Swiss franc. It is safe to trade these currencies together because they are often driven by different global factors, making them less likely to move together. So if you want to avoid cancelling out your gains and manage your risks effectively, you have to avoid correlated pairs. I hope this video helped. Thank you and see you in my next video.